Excuse me, sir, the people want to know. The people want to know. Was it you that ate all the cat food and then had massive amounts of diarrhea in the basement? Sir, the people want to know. It was. Thank you for confirming. Good morning. I am trying to run around and get some things done really quickly before 7 a.m. because I have an electrician coming at 7 a.m. Oh, we're chaotic. I should have just picked that up. I'm not really trying to impress him. I'm more like Douglas got into the cat food yesterday and then had an ass attack in the room that the electrician's gonna be working. So it kind of has like a smell. And I don't have any Febreze or anything, but my vacuum cleaner has like this little wafer of Febreze. so I need to vacuum really quickly. But yeah, Douglas had diarrhea all up on this carpet. I cleaned it up best I could. There's still a slight odor. So we're trying to manage that really quickly. Maybe open a few windows. There's Dougie Beans now, the culprit. I'm really stuffy right now, but that Febreze wafer coming in clutch. Guess we could kind of get semi-ready. I also have to go to work after he finishes wiring everything. Wiring it all. But yeah, I still haven't had functioning laundry. After the second washer and dryer came, and the problem still persisted with the dryer, we determined that it was an electrical problem. So now he's running a whole ass wire. It's gonna be all up in this asbestos. Daryl, we salute you. Yes, I know these handymen by name by now, because they have probably spent just as much time in my house as me at this point. I am very excited for the moment when I can have one solid week without any kind of maintenance being done to the house. But I have learned quite a bit, namely about hiring handymen and contractors and stuff like that. And so I'm sure there's an exception to every rule. Let me just make that abundantly clear. But it seems like the ones that have something in the name, you know, like dependable, professional, reliable, those are the ones that are compensating for not being that. But that's just been in my experience so far. I don't know for sure, but that's just something that I've noticed. But I like the electrician that's coming today. Daryl is cool. 7 a.m. is really early, but he's gonna be like crawling around in like the attic area. And I guess it gets really hot, especially in the blazing summer heat. I lost my beauty blender, by the way. So it's understandable that he would want to get it done early, not be in a scorching hot attic. Oh my God, that reminds me. I need to take the locks off of my attic. I look crazy right now, but I gotta do this before he comes, in case he needs to get like in this other crawl space access that's in my bedroom. I told y'all I'm paranoid, right? Like, and scared of everything, scared of things that are not rational. Well, oh, someone's calling me as well. Hello.
Hey, just make that you're dressed. I sent a message 10 minutes ago saying he's on his way.
Okay, I'm dressed. I'm trying to take the locks off my attic.
Okay, I just want to make sure you were awake.
And I need to rub in my foundation because I look crazy right now.
What?
I have like half my foundation on. I look crazy. And I'm trying to film a YouTube video.
Okay, well, as long as you have...
Okay.
I gotta get in the shower.
Okay, thanks for all you do. She didn't even say anything. Rude. I lock the attic in my bedroom because it freaks me out. I read a story about people like living in the walls and the ceilings and stuff in New York and how that's really common. And I know that it's very unlikely to happen here, right? because I live in a house, not an old apartment building and all that stuff, but I still get really paranoid at night, so I figure maybe just like a little peace of mind. Let's slap some latches on there. But yeah, like it's not gonna happen. I'm pretty sure my attic is just like riddled with asbestos insulation, so it's pretty uninhabitable. And the fact that this like electrician guy doesn't want to come later in the afternoon because it will be unbearably hot makes me think that even if someone could get in there, they really couldn't live in there very successfully. But yeah, what else are we gonna try to do today besides finish getting ready once this guy gets here and go to work? I want to try to find some kind of a gym. I was going back and forth, as you guys know, about like making a home gym or subscribing to like a gym membership or, you know, doing both. At this time, I think the best thing for me and my growth would be to like get out more, start doing things. I left my mouth open for that the entire time, so I literally ate the stay spray. I don't know, but I want to start being more social, and I want to actually start like lifting weights and getting a whole weightlifting situation set up. And then maybe we could see about setting up a home gym and what I actually need, what I actually want. You know what I mean? I gotta put out Dougie Beans because Dougie Beans acts a fool. He thinks everybody's a perp. Be free! Oh, and also, I haven't shown you guys, but I got a massive beanbag chair. Excuse me, sir. You have the bed right there and right there. He thinks he just has all of the ducks. I really regret getting white. It's probably the best purchase I have ever made in my entire life. Have you ever felt like a baby bird? Why did that sound like a Katy Perry lyric? Have you ever felt like a baby bird sitting in a nest waiting for your mom to come feed you? This is so comfortable and honestly such a vibe. Oh, I'm chaotic this morning. We're living for it. But yeah, 10 out of 10 purchase. Probably the best thing I've ever done with my money, besides the utilization of today's sponsor, which just so happens to be Green Chef. We know them, we love them. They're the USDA certified organic company that delivers awesome, tasty, chef curated meals right to your doorstep. Green Chef makes cooking easy with options that work around your lifestyle, including dishes for a variety of different lifestyles like paleo, keto, vegan, vegetarian. They offer 9 different recipes to choose from weekly within every meal plan, so you've got the options. I love choosing meals with flavor profiles and combinations that I haven't personally tried before, you know, being a little adventurous. Like in this particular recipe, it's Cajun shrimp with corn relish, and I was very excited to try corn relish, and it did not disappoint. I would definitely say that Green Chef helped me improve my cooking skills too, and don't even worry if you aren't a master chef like myself. The recipe card is super easy to follow, and it even has pictures, which I really appreciate. If you're interested in trying out Green Chef for yourself, you know I have those discount links. Head on over to greenchef.us/90Beatrice and enter code 90Beatrice for $90 off, including free shipping on your first box. Again, to take advantage of that $90 off plus free shipping, go to greenchef.us/90Beatrice and enter code 90Beatrice. A huge thank you to Green Chef for being our sponsor, and now back to the vlog. Oh, they brought 2 people. I'm trying to act inconspicuous. I never know what to do when maintenance people arrive. I'm still waiting for the electrician to finish up. I guess I can show you the flower bed that I did and actually water it because it looks like everything is really dying. Oh my. Welcome to the Sad Plant Tour 2021. Here we have the garden structure that I built by hand. You can tell by how wonky it is and also how I didn't have enough bricks to complete a second layer all the way around. No, that was not an aesthetic choice. That was a bad at math choice and I stand by it. Someday I'll buy more bricks. I don't know when. First of all, you have this sad one, which I don't know if we could bring back to life. It pretty much died immediately. This one as well, just completely slumped over. We have this really droopy daisy. This one used to look like an ear of corn. Now it's just slumped over in a mass. And this red one could not be more upset with the conditions that it's been placed in. But on the other hand, it's about 50-50 because we have ones that are thriving, like this one here. And this one that kind of looks like a lettuce chunk. I don't remember buying this, but it's kind of living for it. And then this purple one, which absolutely skyrocketed to the moon, is just feasting off the dead bodies of its fallen brethren. It's thriving. But yeah, definitely need to get some water on these and hopefully they will spring back to life. Because I spent an embarrassing amount of money on these flowers to just have the majority of them die. So wish me luck. I'm feeling very defeated because all of the yard work that I did the other day, like all of these weeds are coming back now. Yes, they're done. Only some minor holes. No, those are actually pretty big holes in the closet, but I could patch that up with something, I don't know. But the important thing is they're done and now I'm going to go to work. But I need to tell you about my new desk toy, which are these 3D printed slugs that I bought off Etsy. Like this one is large and multicolored. Bought a little small blue one. Just something to like mush while I do things and annoy my coworkers with. So come on kids, get in the lemon bag. That's probably all I'm gonna have in the lemon bag. So if I get stopped by security and searched, which sometimes happens, it's gonna be really embarrassing. So let's go to work, friends. I forgot to research the gym, so I guess I'll do that tonight sometime. Goodbye, Douglas. Farewell. Chetty's in charge. Okay, we are finally at work. Well, not in there, but we're in the parking lot at least. I thought for sure I was gonna get a ticket because the little prairie dog ran out, and then I was like acting all chaotic to avoid it, but there was like no one around, even though you're not supposed to do that. I think in driving school they just tell you to like plow down those animals. But regardless, I did not do that. But State Patrol like went right behind me and followed me literally all of the way to work. So that was very stressful, but did not pull me over. But regardless, I have to go in there and I'll talk to you when I get out. And we'll do some fun activities maybe. Okay, so sorry for my appearance, but it's the morning of the next day. I in fact did not do any fun activities after getting out of work. I just ended up taking a pain reliever, going to bed, and wishing for the sweet release of death. Just kidding, but it was kind of unpleasant. I was just having really bad cramps, and that's something that's been happening to me a lot lately. Recently, I switched up my birth control. I was taking a hormonal birth control pill to help with my PCOS symptoms, and I've actually been having problems with that specific pill for quite a while, which is a major reason why I was giving keto a fair shot, because I was like, okay, if I can control this through food and not have to take any kind of medication, like that would be great. Keto did not work out, as we all know. It did not work for me, I should say. But yeah, so I recently went to my gynecologist and switched up my birth control from the pill to a hormonal IUD. And ever since it was implanted like a week and a half ago, I've been having like constant cramping without Shark Week actually happening. But I don't know, anybody else out there with a hormonal IUD? Like, do you remember when you first got it? Is this a similar experience? My gynecologist said that there would be cramping, but I didn't really expect there to be cramping a week and a half later. I don't know, I guess kind of like a TMI situation, but honestly, like my entire audience is women anyway, so like I'm curious what you guys have to say and your experience if you have that. So I did end up finding a gym. It was very anticlimactic. Like I googled it and 3 places popped up. 2 of those places were Anytime Fitness and Planet Fitness, and they didn't have a pool. And what I'm kind of looking for is a variety, so I can like broaden my physical activity horizons, I guess, and like learn to swim. So yeah, I picked a gym that's 17 minutes away. I have to actually like sign up for a membership, but I think that's the one I'm going to go to. But other than that, work has been kind of hectic lately. We're working on a very big event that is stressful. So I haven't really had too much time to sit and research the brain and stuff like I mentioned in my last video. I still am looking forward to doing that and like having some free time to do that, but I don't know. I've just been having trouble like managing everything, and then like when I don't feel good and then my downtime is like taking up by my freaking ovaries having a moment. I don't know, it's just frustrating, but like just gonna have to like make time for things, same way I'm gonna have to make time to like actually go to the gym. I just wish that I could stop talking about it and then actually like be about it, you know what I mean? But such is mango, such is life. I don't know. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!